Good morning, students. In the previous session, we have studied about the man-made material plastic. Now, today we'll start with the next man-made material which is given in your textbook, that is thermocol. Yes, all of you are knowing the thermocol. Yes, all of you are seeing the thermocol also. A new easily breakable item which is brought at your home is usually packed in a box. So as to prevent that item from breaking while handling the box, it is always packed in one more wrapping. Usually that wrapping is of thermocol. Whenever we are buying something new thing from outside like television, then refrigerator, washing machine, you see inside that cardboard wrapping there is one more wrapping. Yes, that is what thermocol. So all of you have seen the thermocol. Nowadays the plates which are used in mass feast are also made up of thermocol. Nowadays we are seeing the plates which are used to serve the food. Yes, in the parties or in the celebration, that also made up of thermocols. Thermocol is a form of a complex material called polystyrene. It is a form of a complex material and it is called as polystyrene. It transforms into liquid state on heating at more than 100 degrees Celsius temperature. So it transforms into liquid state when it is heated more than 100 degrees Celsius temperature, and it returns to solid state on cooling, and after cooling it returns into a solid state. Due to this we can give any desired shape to it. Because of these only we can give any desired shape to thermocol. Being a good shock absorber, it is used in packing of delicate items. It is also used for the packing of the delicate items. Okay, it is a good shock absorber. Okay, so this is about thermocol. It is a form of a complex material which is called as polystyrene, and it transforms into liquid state on heating more than 100 degrees Celsius, and it returns to solid state on cooling. And due to this property it can be given any shape to that. Because of this property only we can give any desired shape to it. Being a good shock absorber, it is used in packing of delicate items. It reduces or it absorbs the worst effects of an unwelcome occurrence or experience. So because of this reason only it is used in the packing of the delicate items. Now we will see the adverse effects of excessive use of thermocol on environment and human being. So there are adverse effects also. If it is used excessively, then there is an adverse effect on environment and on human being also. As we have studied in the plastic also it causes a pollution. Yes, it is harmful for the environment as it is non-degradable. So now we will see the adverse effect of excessive use of thermocol on environment and human being. The first one is being carcinogenic ingredients in styrene. The person in contact with thermocol for long duration may have the possibility of blood cancer like leukemia and lymphoma. So these are the two types of cancers. So because this being carcinogenic ingredient which is present in styrene, the person in contact with thermocol for a long duration, for a long period of time, may have the possibility of blood cancer like leukemia and lymphoma. So if the person is continuously in or for a long period or duration he is in contact with the thermocol, then maybe he has the possibility of getting blood cancer like leukemia and lymphoma. So it is very bad for the health. Now the second one is non-biodegradable. These also we have studied in the plastic. Okay, so this is non-biodegradable, means it takes long duration for natural degradation. So it will take more time. It takes long duration for natural degradation of thermocol. Hence many people select for destroying it by burning, as it is not degradable. So many people use the technique, that is burning. Okay, but it is also harmful for the environment. However, it is still more hazardous method as it releases poisonous gases in the atmosphere. So while burning of the thermocol, it releases very poisonous gases in the atmosphere, and because of this the environment will get polluted. So this is the second point, non biodegradable. it takes long duration for natural degradation of thermocol. Hence many people select for destroying it by burning, but it is still more hazardous method as it releases poisonous gases in the atmosphere. Now the third adverse effect is in mass gatherings, plates and cups used to offer the food, water, tea are made up of thermocol. Nowadays we are seen in a huge party or the celebration, the meal which is served, that time we are using the thermocol items which are made up of thermocol, like plates, cups. Okay, so it affects the health. If the food kept in thermocol is reheated, styrene may dissolve in that food. Due to this, there is possibility of health problem. So if the food is kept in a thermocol and it is reheated, the styrene may dissolve in that food, and due to this there is possibility of the health problem. Okay, so this is the third adverse effect. Now we'll see the next, that is fourth adverse effect of excessive use of thermocol. Effect on persons working in thermocol factory. The persons which are working in a thermocol factory, they are continuously for a long duration of time they are with the contact with the thermocol. So because of these also sometimes they may have the different issues related to their health. Persons staying in contact with thermocol for long term may develop the problems of eyes, respiratory system, skin, digestive system, etc. Pregnant women may face the miscarriage. Liquid styrene may cause skin burns. So these are the different adverse effect of thermocol on health. Okay, so person which are staying in contact with the thermocol for long period of time, those are working in a thermocol factory. Yes, so they are in a contact with the thermocol for long duration. So because of these only they develop the problems of eyes, respiratory system, skin, digestive system, etc. It is also harmful for the pregnant women which may face the miscarriage. And the liquid styrene may cause skin burns. Liquid styrene, it causes the skin burns. So these are the adverse effect of excessive use of thermocols. Okay, so I hope you are clear till here. So what we have started the new man-made material, that is thermocol. Yes, structure and the adverse effects of excessive use of thermocols. It is harmful for the environment as well as human being. Okay, hope you are clear till here. Now the picture shows thermocol combustion and pollution. As we have seen, it is harmful. Combustion means burning. Yes, many of the people are choosing the way of burning of the thermocol. Okay, as it is not degradable, so many of them they opt the method of burning, that is combustion. But it is also hazardous method. It is harmful for the environment as it releases very poisonous gases. Okay, so it create the pollution of the environment. Okay, so this picture shows thermocol combustion and pollution. As you can see here, the second picture. In the first picture, this is the thermocol and this is the thermocol combustion, and it creates the poisonous gases and it creates the pollution. Okay, so I hope you are clear till here. So once again we will revise what we have learned today. We have started with thermocol. Yes, it is a form of a complex material called polystyrene, and nowadays we have seen the plates or the cups which are available or which are used in a mass feast parties. Yes, that are made up of thermocol, but it is having adverse effects also. Adverse effect of excessive use of thermocol on environment and on human being. So the first adverse effect we have studied, that is it is being carcinogenic ingredient which is present in styrene. Because of this, if the person is in continuously contact with the thermocol, he may have the possibility of the blood cancer like leukemia and lymphoma. Okay, so this is the first adverse effect. Second one is it is a non-biodegradable. Yes, it is not easily degrade. So it is a non-biodegradable. As it is non-biodegradable material, many of the people are choosing the way to destroy it by burning. But that is also harmful method. As it burns, it releases poisonous gases in the atmosphere, and because of this only it creates a pollution. So it is harmful for the environment also. And the third one, in the mass gatherings, the plates or the cups which are used to offer the food, water, tea are also made up of thermocol, and it affects the health. As if the food is kept in the thermocol and it is reheated, then the styrene which is present in that, it get dissolved in the food, and due to this there is possibility of the health problem. So it has adverse effect on our health also. And the next adverse effect is effect on person which are working in the thermocol factory. The persons which are working in the thermocol factory, because they are in contact with the thermocol for long duration, for long period of time, they may develop the problems related to eyes, respiratory system, skin, digestive system, etc. And pregnant women also face the problem like miscarriage, and liquid styrene may cause skin burn. So these are the adverse effects of thermocol. Okay, I hope you are clear with the concept. So we'll stop till here today. In the next session we will start with the next concept. Thank you so much.